tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment.
Good morning, everybody. We are on a quick trip, weekend trip here from Maine, and we are here just south of Englishtown in Nova Scotia. So you can see out here, we just got a little cabin. You can hear there's a highway right up there. We're right off the main road, and we got our little fire pit area and bench. And I should have took a picture at night or whatever, but they got these lights up at night, and it's a really cool area to sit and enjoy the night, especially when there's not too many bugs, which there was not too many yesterday. But I figured before we start our quick road trip here on the Cabot Trail, which rides this peninsula all the way around, that's what we're going to do today. I'd show you our cabin because it's actually kind of nice. So here's our cabin. So right off here we got our own little fire pit and all that, like I showed you. But here's our room. Oh,
hello.
Here's Rebecca, and here it is. So this is our bed, a couple windows. We got our own little porch here with seating and a little grill or whatever, a little propane grill. And over here just got like a little table that you can sit at. They give you clean water to use, and then you get your own little kitchenette. So all the little things basics you might need to cook something up.
Coffee.
And coffee, and just all the little things here. We got a little refrigerator, and so it's a nice little spot. Even got a little TV with some of the best DVDs you could ask for, including 30 Rock, Robin Williams live on Broadway, and 4 of George Clooney's favorite films: Ocean's 11, Michael Clayton, Three Kings, and The Perfect Storm. Actually, not bad movies. So what else would you need to watch? So that's our room. I think it's pretty nice. What does it cost us? Like 100 or so?
Yeah.
100 for the night. It's reasonable. And it was in the perfect spot for where we wanted to start the trail to go around the peninsula today. Okay, so we're going to head out now. So you're going to see some nice clips of the drive there. And then we're going to... There's a ferry ride to get across the water up here. We saw it's like 5 minutes down the road. So you probably see us... I don't think I'll talk about it, but I'll show you some of that ferry ride. And it is free. There's a ferry. It's a car ferry that we're going to take to get across the road. It's free to use. Takes like 5 minutes, but should be pretty cool. So next stop, the ferry.
In this moment, in this moment, forever be, in this moment. In this moment, forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory.
So we are here on the Englishtown Ferry. Like I said, it's free to get on. We got here right at 8 o'clock, and there's 2 other cars here. So I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait until they leave. If it leaves like every 10 or 15 minutes, not sure. What?
You have to stay in the car.
Yes, we do have to. It says to stay in the car, which is good because I don't really want to leave the car, but I figured I'd give you a little more information too. So we're doing the Cabot Trail, which is a big circular trail that runs on this peninsula. We started around Englishtown, and we're gonna go up and around the coast and back down south, and eventually tonight we'll get all the way down to Halifax. So a bit of a long day with the drive, but this is like one of the most beautiful drives in the world, they say, the Cabot Trail. So a lot of this video is going to be us driving, and we're going to be stopping at some points along the way because it's all just on the coast. So we're going to go kind of up into some mountains and get some really nice high overlooks, and you're going to see like rocky cliffs and just some amazing sights. So that'll be most of this video. There are definitely lots of hikes and things like that. There's whale watching trips and puffin trips and other things like that, maybe small museums and things. We're not going to be doing that because we're just going to be here for the day. So we're just going to do the Cabot Trail drive, and we've got one hike in mind, but that's going to be put into a separate video. So I believe it's called the Skyline Trail. That's what we're going to do towards the end of the day, but that is going to be its own video. So this video is just going to be the drive. The next video will have the hike in it. Okay, so still waiting for the ferry. Somebody's just joined us behind here, and then we'll get out of here and continue our drive.
A picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, forever be, in this moment, forever be.
So we continued on the Cabot Trail here, and we're officially in Cape Breton Highlands National Park. So we entered the park. Since we entered the park, we had to pay to enter. So that was $8.50 a person. $8.50 a person. For a family or more than one person, I guess it was $16.75, which is kind of weird. I don't know. Young kids were free, I believe, and seniors were like $1 off a piece. So
If you have more than one person in the car, it's $16.75.
yeah, so if you have any more than one person in a car, it's just $16.75 for the day pass. You can get multiple day passes and things like that. So we're here at Lakey's Head now. It's just one of the more popular first stops here on the trail. And we're just gonna come down here and get a nice look, see what it's all about. So far, not a ton of people everywhere, just cars, but like every time we stop, there's maybe one other car. Not too bad. Here we go. Wow. So I think the last time we stopped, you probably got some views of those cliffs over there, but from the other side. Or maybe it's that big one back, actually probably that big one. It's about a half hour that way was our last big stop. Whew. And you can get out of here on the rocks and explore a little bit. Ooh, some good views. Wow. It's a nice rocky coast, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Like I said before, the area is known for like whale watching and stuff, so when we hit these spots up, we kind of just looking to see if maybe we can catch a whale off the coast. Not sure if this is the time of the year to maybe catch a whale. I don't know. You tell me. It's I guess I didn't say earlier. It's beginning of August. What is it, like the 6th, 7th? 7th. 7th of August, 2023. And it's supposed to be beautiful weather. It's supposed to be like 75 and partly cloudy, a lot of sun, and really good weather. Not noticing any bugs yet. I was worried because in my experience the wilderness in Canada can get quite buggy, but so far no bugs. So let's leave you with some more of these views. And it's supposed to be like this, like the rest of the drive. It's just going to be driving around on roads right here all along this amazing coast. So I did not know much about this park before we decided to come here to Nova Scotia. I was just looking for things to do, and everybody says this park is the thing to do. So this is where we are, and it's pretty amazing. So if you haven't heard of it, or you don't know what to do, you know, in North America, and you're looking for some things in Canada that you may not know much about, this is looking like a really good spot. A little bit more difficult to get there than other places because, you know, there's not like a big city around here other than like Halifax. You could fly into Halifax and then drive up here, but even that is not a quick drive. So just beautiful. Woo. It's gonna be a fun day.
The shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never
So
flown before.
we continued on the trail. We're now on the other side of the peninsula, and we got our first good view here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a gander. I think we're getting close to where our hike is going to be. Like I said earlier, we're not going to be putting the hike on this video. It's going to be its own separate video. Nice view. You can see right down there is some domes that, where they're renting out a bunch of these like almost yurts, but they're domes. You can stay the night. And then out here you can see there's some nice cliffside that I think we're gonna get some more of as we get closer south from here. So it looks like it's just a lookout. I thought this was gonna have some information, but maybe not. Yeah, just some pictures of fish. whale watching. Oh yeah. Whales are sighted in the Gulf of Lawrence from early May to late November. So pilot whales, minke whales, and fin whales are regularly seen. Porpoises, white-sided dolphins are less. Okay. So we're gonna sit here for a few minutes, see if we can get a whale, and just take in the view. And then we're gonna head back on up. So I think we're gonna go the Skyline Trail, which I believe just takes us to the top of this, or maybe the next. I don't know. I think it's somewhere right up here. So we're on the coast, and now we're coming up to the top of this mountain.
You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
That is going to do it for our drive here in Nova Scotia around the Cabot Trail. We still have quite a bit left to go here on our drive, but this, I can't imagine we're going to get a better view than this. So I'm going to leave you here with this amazing view, and I'll get some of this video on the way out of us going over these mountains right here. But that's going to be it for my talking from here on out. Just going to be the views. So if you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment if you have any comments or questions about the trail. We did the Skyline Trail, which is just around the corner here, just in the video, and I videoed it separately, so it's going to be a separate video, which will be coming up next. Comment, subscribe, like, do all those things so you see some more. So leave you some more views after this of this amazing trail, and we will see you in the next one.
You can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.